Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you this album that I have made, and it is with this paper company, Stamperia. And if you haven't heard of this paper company, they are amazing. And I will be having a haul video where I show a bunch of this paper, and this is just gorgeous paper. And I really love the colors and basically all the elements that they have in their paper collections. So I'm going to go through this album, and I've done it like a folio style album, so not your typical chunky scrapbooks. This is a nice thin scrapbook, but there's a lot of things in here. So to start out, I used basically this one here, and I used it as my front cover and doubled it up with foam. And I even cut out the butterflies and made them look three-dimensional there. This is all also on foam. And then I did this little picket fence die cut, did some words, very simple for the cover. And once we go into the album here, it gets real fun. I've got a number of pockets that things will pull out here, and you could stick other things inside there. And then right here I have another one of these little pocket pieces, and I've stamped Remember When. And I recently got a couple stamps that have the place photo here, so I actually did embossing, which I think looks really cool on there. Now obviously a picture is going to go on there, but in the meantime it looks pretty cool with that stamped on there, embossed. So that tucks in there. For this piece here, I used My Favorite Things little paper clip dies, and I love that set. It is awesome. Going on to this side here, this is actually an acetate window, so you can tuck stuff in here and you can still see. And again, I use this frame just like off the front in here to help kind of showcase that and have that on there. Now this opens up like this, and I've got some things in this pocket, another little paper clip. This is actually a little pocket here. I'll probably put something in there eventually. What pulls out here is a mat, same paper, and then I made one of these. Now this, if you've seen this before, this is a lot like some of my little albums that I did, but this is basically another little album in an album, if you will. So this pulls out like this, again, a place to tuck things inside there and there. These pull out. I can see I forgot to mat those, so I'll have to mat those ones. But it's just kind of cute, a little scrapbook album in a scrapbook album. So that goes right into the pocket there. And I have a ribbon here, which I like. I think that adds a little bit of detail there. And then on this side, same thing, another pocket, another little paper clip, and some pullouts. So this is some more of the paper line, and I just did a stamp on there, Cherish This Story. And then I've got another acetate type pocket window that can slide in and out of this pocket. So lots of fun little elements in this. I just put this little banner piece in here because I thought it added a little bit. And if that isn't fun enough, these come out like that, and they come over here, and there's more. So here's a little belly band, and I just stamped this here. It says life is not measured in minutes but moments. So I've got that on there, and again, one of these little paper clips, and this gorgeous paper in behind that is now showing. And of course a couple more mats that will slide in behind there. So this is so much fun. And then this just slides into here. We'll just take these out, it'll just be easier. So that just slides into this piece like that and stays there perfectly. And on the other side, I have yet another pocket with, again, this gorgeous paper in here. A couple more of these mats, place photo here, and that just goes into there. And then this also, again, just slides right up top into there. So I love all the details on this. I mean, the paper is just gorgeous. This company, they know how to make paper, I'll tell you that. It's a nice heavy paper, and the colors are gorgeous. And just, I mean, look how beautiful this album is, this spread here. And everything just works so nicely. And I'm really happy with the album. My albums, as usual, have a lot of sewing in it, as you see. Lots and lots of sewing details here and there, and even within this little tiny album, I think it adds just a little bit of details. So that is my album. I just wanted to show you. I love making these albums, and I like making basically the thinner ones like this that aren't so chunky. It's fun to make. There's still a lot of pullouts and stuff like that that you can make it fun even as a crafter doing. So I hope that you enjoyed this little album preview that I have today. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.